Friends, in this video, I will show how to delete search history from YouTube. Delete search history from Android. At first, open your YouTube application. When I click on YouTube search box, then we can see all previous search history. Click on U menu, and go to the Settings options. Click Manage History. Here we can see all previous search history on YouTube. We can delete search activity individually, or delete all at a time. For delete all search activities, click on Delete, and select Delete All Time. Now, click on Delete. Deletion complete, click Got It. Now, go to the YouTube apps, and click on Search Options. Now, we cannot see any search history in search box. All search history was deleted successfully. Let's see how to delete YouTube search history from Windows. Here we can see, when I click on YouTube search box on our browser, then all previous search history is showing. For delete all search history from YouTube, open another browser tab, and type My Activities. After click on Other Activities. Here we can see YouTube history. Click on Managed Activities. Here we can see our all previous YouTube browsing history by date. We can delete search activity individually, or delete all at a time. I deleted my Today activities. For delete all search activities, click on Delete, and select Delete All Time. Now, click on Delete. Deletion complete, click Got It. Now go to the YouTube and click on Search Options. Here we cannot see any search history. Now I search my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions. I search this for checking my search history on YouTube. Here we can see, again two search history is showing, which I searched earlier. I hope you can understand. Friends, please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button, for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.